Let's go.
Let's go today.
Okay, let me know.
You're going, dude.
Oh, sick. Thank you.
Come on, dude. What do we do here? And
get money.
That's it.
And do fucking sick custom exhaust on a Ford GT and a Ferrari of some sort.
What's up, Fab guys? What are you working on?
The Ford GT madness.
Looking money. Is the whole system gonna be that color in the gold?
I'm gonna do like the little blue accents.
I like the blue accents. Yeah, those look clean. This customer is coming to pick up the SV. We did wheels on it. It was in and out. Now we're just gonna get some shots of it. Dude, honestly, like these center caps look so sick. I think we've done a couple of his cars. I don't know what number this one is, but he's had a couple come through the shop and he's got a good taste, so they always come out looking money, so. What are you working on?
Your job?
Mine? Oh, you fitting the wheels in it?
No. Did you say turn it inside out?
Yeah.
Just crush it back and fold it the other way, or what?
Why are those little sections blue?
How is this gonna affect laminar flow?
You're not even gonna penetrate it?
What you got? Test fit this bad dog right here.
What is this?
Little Ford GT catback action. Just want to make sure it's fits all fine and dandy before I complete the rest of it. Have the car here, so we have the chance to check things like that. How's she fitting? She fitting like a dream? I think she's fitting like a dream.
Yeah, she looks great. She looks good, dude.
Just wait till she's done. She's gonna look mint when she's done. Put it in hybrid mode, bro.
Why?
You good? Just be careful. Just let the tires warm up when you're just have some fun with it. But that's not even off, fully off is there. But just don't do that. Don't do it. It's just hang on. I don't trust you. Just get used to the car. This thing ain't bad. This thing is bad. It is fast. Suspension's good.
Yeah, I don't give it no rubbing.
It's when you hit big bumps.
Okay, just like the SV.
Yeah. As long as you're cool with that, I don't want to sacrifice the stance.
No.
See, that's the music I was talking.
Let me get this one.
Oh.
Yeah, that sounds killer. My hair, so it's definitely good.
Not bad.
I love it, dude. Might be my favorite right now.
Until the next one.
Yeah.
Say that every single time.
It might be my favorite. It's insane, dude. Super fast. Yeah, it's like next level fast. Probably dangerous fast. You could probably get in trouble for sure. And we're not done yet. We got more coming for this thing. Josh. You need a bigger garage.
Thanks.